Now for the Company User Management feature. On the same page, click on Users. Then click the Add User button to create a new user. Fill in the required details. In the Role section, select the role you created earlier that best fits the user. Enable the Status option so the user becomes active. Click the Save User button. As you can see, the user has been created. Once the user is created, you can edit or delete it anytime using the action buttons. You can also filter users by adding specific details. Based on your input, it will display the corresponding results. To check whether the user has been created in the Admin panel, go to the Admin dashboard, click on Customers, and open the Customer section. Here, it will display the relevant results based on your input. Click on the Action button to open the user profile. It will show that you are logged in as the Liza profile. If you no longer need these details, you can delete the profile by clicking the Delete Profile button. If you want to edit the details, click the Edit Details button. You will also see the roles and permissions you assigned earlier. If needed, you can modify them according to your preferences. That's it for the Company User Management features. Thank you.